In this video, we're going to learn how to solve simultaneous linear equations using the elimination method. And elimination means you need to get rid of one of the variables in order for you to find the other one, to solve for the other one and find its value. And then you replace in one of the equations and you're going to find the value of the second variable. So in our case here, we have 3x plus 2y equals 4 and 4x plus 5y equals 17. So we need to eliminate either the x or the y. Now in order to eliminate the x, we need to multiply one of them by the number which is the negative number of the next one. In other words, I need first to find the number which is the LCM that I can have for 3 and 4. So the least common multiple, which is the LCM for 3 and 4, is 12. So this is what I asked myself. What should I do? What should I multiply 3 with to give me 12? So it's times 4. What should I multiply 4 to give me 12? It's times 3. But if I have 12x and 12x and I want to add them, I'm not eliminating here, I'm making the coefficient of x bigger. So in order for me to eliminate the x, I need to multiply one of them by minus. So now when I add 12x plus minus 12x, I get 0x, and then I have the y to find or to solve for. So in other words, let me start working with it. I multiply the first equation by 4. So I get 12x plus 8x equals 16, because 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 4 is 16. Then I multiply the second equation by 3 to get also 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, and 17 times 3 is 51. Then, in order to get rid of the x, I multiply the equation by minus one of them. So I multiply one of these two equations by minus 1. So let me multiply this one by minus 1. So now I get minus 12x minus 15 and minus 51. Adding them up, adding 4 and 3, I will get 12x minus 12x is 0x, so it's 0, and 8y minus 15y is minus 7y, which is equal to 16 minus 51, it's minus 35. Now when you divide, in order to get y, you divide minus 35 over minus 7, you get y equals 5. So you substitute y equals 5 either in the first equation or in the second equation in order for you to find the value for x. So in here I've used the first equation. So 3x plus 2 times y, which is its value is 5, is equal to 4. Therefore 3x is equal to 4 minus 10, which is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6 over 3, which is equal to minus 2. Now, checking that I've got the right answers, I replace the values that I found for x and y in the second equation, because I already used the first equation. So 4x replaced by minus 2 plus 5y, which is replaced by the value 5, is equal to minus 8 plus 25, which is equal to 17. So it's true.